小星星，海洋里放光明，闪不闪烁都是你今天给我的。岛屿化作小星星，海洋里放光明，闪不闪烁都是你。岛屿化作小星星，海洋里放光明。岛屿化作小星星，海洋里放光明。岛屿化作小星星，海洋里放光明，闪不闪烁都是你。
Stop putting ice cubes in your mug. There is a much better way to keep your beverage cold. This ice mold creates rings that fit the inner contour and keeps the middle clear so you don't have to jam the straw through a bunch of ice. And it even comes with a container to prevent spills when putting it in the freezer.
This 360 snack container is perfect for your toddler. They can run around and the snacks won't spill. We love this, a must-have in our home.
Is your kitchen feeling a bit cramped? We've got just the solution. Meet the 3-layer wall-mounted seasoning box. It'll keep your spices organized, free up counter space, and add a little style to your kitchen. Plus, it's super easy to install. No stress. Send us a DM to grab yours before it's gone. Let's clear up that kitchen together.